I have loved you with the everlasting love. Jeremiah 31:3. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing y'all a beginner-friendly way to do personal nails. All of the items shown in this video will be listed down below in the description box. I start off by doing my nails by cleaning around the cuticle. I use one end of the cuticle stick to push back my cuticles and the other end to scrape off the excess cuticle. I do this to all of my nails. It is important to take your time with this step. Pushing back your cuticles and cleaning around it will ensure that your press-on nails last a long time. Next, I use the hand file to shape and buff my natural nails. I also lightly file my fingernails so the nail glue can adhere better to my nails. I like to file my nails and keep them short. The press-on nails that I am using is from a cart. These are the long ballerina full cover acrylic nails in clear. I noticed that with this full cover nails, the sizing is a bit small, so I would suggest to size up. I make sure that the full cover nails cover from sidewall to sidewall. After I'm finished sizing my nails, I use the nail glue to glue the press-on nails to my natural nails. I hold the nails for at least 20 seconds to ensure that the press-on nails is adhered properly to my natural nails. I repeat this process to the rest of my nails. These are my nails after I am finished gluing them on. I use the nail clipper to trim the nails to the length I wanted. For this look, I wanted my nails to be short. After I finish this process to all my nails, I use a hand file to define the shape of my nails a bit more. I'm going for a coffin look to my nails. I also buff the nails to remove the shine. My nails are nicely trimmed and buff. I am using the Model 1's gel polish. I have the base gel coat, the matte top coat, and two gorgeous gel polish. The colors I'm using is berry and flower bed. I start off by adding a thin layer of the base gel coat. Applying a thin layer will ensure that the base gel coat will cure properly. I did this process to all of my nails, and I cure it in the UV/LED lamp for 60 seconds. I am applying a thin layer of the flower bed gel polish to my ring finger and thumb. I applied the berry gel polish to the rest of my nails. After applying the gel polish, I cured my nails for 60 seconds. I repeated the process and did a second layer of gel polish and cured it for an additional 60 seconds. After I finished curing my nails, I added a thin layer of the matte top coat. I cured it for 60 seconds. These are the final results of my nails. It came out so beautiful, and I love how the matte top coat brings out the colors of the gel polish. I love the shape and color of my nails. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.